What's up? This is a Nerf video on which gun I think is better. I'm going to shoot them both and then talk a little bit. Let's get started. So, I'm going to load them both and shoot them. I think this one is a little harder to load up because of you have to take out the clip and load them all in. I'm going to shoot 3 each. This one here, anyhow, is pretty easy. You just pop a flap and stick them in. 3. Now let's shoot them. Wow. Okay. I think this gun would be more worth buying. This one here costs about 20 or more. I'm not sure how much it's going for now. I just got this one recently. It only costed me $16, which is pretty good. Anyway, please smash the like button and leave a comment below on what video I should do next.